Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Duolingo app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.